Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening Blender and immediately switching to camera view with numpad 0 so you see what the camera frames. Once you can see the camera, select it in the outliner or directly in the viewport. Then open the Properties editor and click the Camera tab. This is where you'll change size-related controls like focal length and sensor size. Make sure to work in the same units as your scene so lens numbers behave predictably. Now you change the lens properties to control apparent camera size and field of view. You edit focal length in millimeters to make the scene look tighter or wider. Lower numbers widen the view, higher numbers compress it. If you need a different viewport framing without altering focal length, change sensor size. Alternatively, switch the camera to orthographic and adjust orthographic scale to set the exact scene coverage. This is useful for architectural or technical shots. Finish by framing and locking the camera to view so adjustments move naturally with your navigation. This makes final tweaks faster. Once satisfied, apply transforms to the camera so rotation and scale are baked and won't skew lens math and renders. Finally, render a quick test. If objects vanish or look clipped, check the camera clipping start/end and reset lens values to defaults. If framing still feels off, revisit sensor, focal length, or orthographic scale.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.